Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're tackling a common task, transferring Ethereum, or ETH, from Binance to Coinbase in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just looking for a quick refresh, this step-by-step guide will make it simple and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Coinbase. If you haven't already, download the apps or log into the websites and complete any verification processes. This is crucial for security and to avoid any delays. Step 1. Log into your Binance account and head to your wallet section. Here, you'll see your ETH balance. Double-check that you have enough ETH to transfer, and remember to account for any network fees. Next, switch over to Coinbase. Go to your account settings or wallet page, and find your ETH wallet address. This is a long string of letters and numbers. Copy it carefully, as you'll need it for the transfer. For added security, Coinbase might require two-factor authentication here. Now, back on Binance, navigate to the withdrawal section under your ETH wallet. Paste the Coinbase address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and select the appropriate network, like Ethereum's mainnet. Always verify the network matches to prevent lost funds. Before you hit confirm, review everything twice. This includes the address, amount, and fees. Once you're sure, go ahead and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. Finally, sit back and wait. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Coinbase account to see your ETH has arrived. And that's it, you've successfully moved your ETH. A quick tip. Always use reputable exchanges and enable security features like hardware wallets. If you run into issues, both platforms have support resources. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.